It's a pretty nice day. It's July 11th and about 78 degrees. The sun is intense though. Very, very green and wooded. Got a cholla cactus in bloom. The bugs are loving it. Got a prickly pear cactus in bloom. Got petrified wood right there, and right there, and right there. That's cool. We're on the other side of that canyon here. Now that's sweet. Look at those cool cliffs out there. There's Dave out there. Coming. Alright, we're gonna jump over that carefully. It's controlled danger. It's fine. There are the Sangre de Cristo Mountains in the distance. It's looking up Canyon Juan Maes. There's a jackrabbit right there. Zoomed with my phone camera, so kind of pixelated. But he's big and he's beautiful. So we're hiking up a little peak right now. The sun is finally starting to chill out a little bit with its intensity. Alright, we've made it pretty much to the peak here. Some pretty sweeping views. This is an old stacked stone wall here, kind of on the side of this peak. Some petrified wood is making up part of it. Look, that is definitely stacked by somebody. There are some thunderstorms moving in quickly. Things are a little bit hazy out here because of some wildfires going on in Arizona. Alright, we're retreating. It is hailing as well as giant frozen raindrops slapping us. It's raining real good. The views are still beautiful. We're soaking wet. Alright, made it back into the car. Essentially, like we just took showers with our clothes on.